It's Miss Shaw.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Burkle.
My name is Miss Bailey.
Hello, everybody. My name is Miss Middlebrook, but you guys can call me Miss M.
Hi, second graders. My name is Miss Hickman, and I am so excited to be your summer reading teacher.
Hey guys, it's me, Miss Nieves. Thank you for joining me today.
Looks like our math adventure is taking us on a jungle safari. Let's go. Looks like we're ready. Let the adventures begin. Welcome to our very first lesson together. Today, we have important goals that we are going to accomplish on our jungle safari. Our first goal for today is we are going to add groups of numbers together. And our second goal is we can even change the order of our numbers and get the same answer. Let's get this rolling. So let's review on how we add groups of numbers together. And in order to do this, I have a few friends to join us today. Let's say I have these two monkeys and then these guys come swimming in. I have 2 monkeys and 3 monkeys. How many monkeys do I have all together? So I have 2 monkeys plus 3 monkeys equals 5 monkeys all together. And that is our sum. The sum is an answer to an addition problem. Good job! Whew. I see some more groups. Let's add them together. Let's try again. I have 4 elephants plus 2 orange elephants. How many total elephants do I have all together? So 4 blue elephants plus 2 orange elephants equals, if you guessed 6, you're right! Yay! Now what happens if I have 7 elephants and I add 3 orange elephants to the 7 blue? How many elephants do I have all together? Seven plus 3 equals, if you said 10, you're right. And 10 is the sum. Good job. Let's see what happens when we change the order. Now earlier today, when my friends joined us, we started off with 2 monkeys plus 3 monkeys, and all together we found that the sum equaled 5. Now, what happens if we change the order? Well, let's see. So let's start off this time with our 3 monkey friends, then add our 2 monkey friends. So how many monkey friends do we have all together? You guessed it. It's the same. This is called the commutative property. You can change the order of the numbers you add together, and the sum remains the same. Where did my elephant friends go? Can you hear them? I hear them. Earlier, we had 4 blue elephants plus 2 orange elephants equal 6 total elephants. Happens when I switch the order. Now I have 2 elephants plus 4 elephants. What if I start with 2 orange elephants and 4 blue elephants? How many do I have now? You got it. It's the same. 2 orange elephants plus 4 blue elephants still equals a total of 6 elephants. Our sum is still 6. All right, you've seen this example before. 7 blue elephants plus 3 orange elephants equals, yes, 10 total elephants. Now, what would this math sentence look like if I change the order of these 2 numbers? Is the sum still going to be the same? Of course it will. Remember, this is called the commutative property, where you can change the order of the numbers you're adding and your sum still stays the same. All right, guys, it's time to take this math that we worked on today and take it out into the real world.
All right, guys, you're never going to believe what just happened to me just now. All I needed to do was just sit down and take a relaxing little break. And when I went to go sit down, look at what was under my cushions. Snakes. Then, when I went to go move to the other cushion, there were more snakes.
Miss Shaw found 4 snakes under one cushion and 5 snakes under the other cushion. How many snakes did she find all together? If your answer was 4 plus 5 equals 9, then you're right.
Check this out, guys. Math in the real world is everywhere. And I just found some frogs.
Miss Shaw found 3 frogs around one tree and 2 frogs around another tree. How many frogs did she find all together? If you said 3 plus 2 equals 5, then you're right. Anytime, let's practice what we learned today. What you're going to need are 2 different color snap cubes, because these are going to turn into trains. You're going to take 2 different colored cubes and you're going to connect them together to make your little cube train. After you connect them, you're going to write your number sentence. Make sure you write your sentence from left to right. And you're going to flip your train. And you're going to write the number sentence again with the cubes going from left to right. No snap cubes? No problem. You can use this paper to color with your favorite colors and create your very own trains. Have fun. Happy adding! Oh! You just caught me eating breakfast. In the last video, we had so much fun experiencing math. And we talked about how to join groups all together. And we called it something cool. Do you remember what we called it? Oh yeah, addition. Yeah, added so many different things, from monkeys to elephants. It was so much fun. And then we took it up another level. We talked about how you could take a number sentence like this, 2 plus 3 equals the sum of 5, and change the order. So let's try it. 3 plus 2 equals the same thing. 5. And remember, these are both called the sum. Now, I'm having a hard time remembering, what do we call the property that tells us that we can change the order of the numbers when we add and still get the same sum? I forgot. Maybe I'll use my handy dandy binoculars. Do you see it anywhere? Huh? Do you see it? I don't. Where is it? You keep telling me you're seeing it. I don't see it anywhere. Where? Behind me? Oh! Of course, the commutative property. Obviously. It is clear that you have a huge understanding of what it means to add numbers together to get the sum, and then switch the order or change the order to get the same sum. So that goes to show you must have been super successful with our activity yesterday. Which reminds me, where are my cubes at? These things are coming in handy today. Thank goodness. So you needed to take these cubes and put them together into combinations to create, well, different number sentences. And then you had to switch them to show that you understand the commutative property. So whatever I expect you to do, I should be willing to do myself. Let me show you a clip of me working on this project too. we are going to be reviewing this same thing one more time. And I'm going to prepare you for your next exciting activity. But before I do, I have to tell you a little story. I was trying to think of another way that I could explain it to you all. So I decided to go out into the real world and try to find a real world example. And you will never believe what I saw. So I was exploring about, like I usually do, trying to find another way to show addition and the commutative property. And all of a sudden, I saw my friends. So I snuck through the jungle, like I normally do. And I came across my monkey friends playing with dominoes. I know. Then all of a sudden, I had to join in. So I jumped on in. And then, as we were playing and having so much fun, we realized that we could use dominoes to add. And then if you turn them around, you can practice the commutative property. Oh, high fives all around. So we skipped off with glee, excited to practice more addition and the commutative property. Number one, needed these guys to find my friends. Number two, what an amazing idea to use little dominoes to practice adding with the commutative property. See, I surround myself with some pretty smart friends. Let's try this together. But these are a little too small, don't you think? It's kind of hard for you to see it. Obviously, give me 1 second. Whew. Good thing I have my big old trusty domino. You always got to have one of these guys around at all times, especially when you're adding. All right, so let's start off like this. How many dots does this side of my domino have? 2. Awesome. Now, how many dots does this side have? 5. Genius. Let's take this and write it as a number sentence. 2 dots plus 5 dots equals 7 total dots all together, which is our sum. 7 is the answer to our number sentence. So now it's time for the next step. Let's take our domino and let's switch it around. All right. So with our domino, we want to make sure that we are taking a look at the dots. So one more time, how many dots does this side have? 5. How many dots does this side have? Obviously, 2. All right, let's write our number sentence. So 5 dots plus 2 dots equals, I know, you know this. 7 total dots. Look at that. Still, the sum never change. Gotta love that commutative property. No, sorry, sometimes I get a little excited. It's time to take our math skills out into the real world.
I just love to fish. I cannot wait to see how many fish I catch all together. Here we go. Woo! I feel a fish. Well, it took me a couple tries, but I did it! Yes! Caught a little guy. Check this out. I caught 4 big fish. I caught 9 little fish. On a real-world math adventure today, I caught 4 big fish and 9 little fish. So, how many fish did I catch all together? Miss Shaw caught 4 big fish and 9 small fish. How many fish did she catch all together? All right, first grade scholars, or should I say adventurers, what time is it? It's activity time! You got it, the exact same thing we did today. As an example with my giant domino, you're gonna do the same thing on your own with your very own dominoes. Happy adding, first grade. Let's get to work. I hope you all had a blast using your dominoes to add. Imagine the amount of number sentences you all created, especially when you changed the order. So proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. Give yourself a quick pat on the back. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. You deserve it. Now, it's time to take our math skills up to another level. Which reminds me, I actually need to get my ladder really quick. I need to level up to get to our lesson today. Here it is. Doubles. I have always wanted to know what my double looked like. Turns out, my double looks exactly the same. I was so excited to spend time with my double for the afternoon. We even shared our favorite numbers. And they were the same. Then, I tried to see if this was real, and my double pulled out a 5, and I pulled out a 5. Double the numbers, double the fun. How crazy was it that I saw my double? That was like a dream. So cool. The coolest thing about meeting my double was that we were exactly the same. I mean, you saw it. We even had the same numbers. And guess what? In addition, doubles is the same thing. Doubles are an addition fact that includes 2 of the same numbers. For example, like 5 and 5. Then if you add them together, you're adding the same number to itself. But let's try this out with some frogs. They're a little jumpy.
So if I have 5 frogs on this rock, and 5 frogs on this rock,
1, 2, 3, 4.
how many frogs do I have all together? You got it. 10. Great job.
As you can see, 5 frogs plus 5 frogs equals 10 frogs. Let's do another example. But I need something to add together. I need a double of something. Oh, I know. I'm going to use my handy dandy butterfly net. Let's go. I caught one butterfly over here and one butterfly over here. Let's write it as a number sentence. 1 butterfly plus 1 butterfly equals, yes, 2 butterflies in all. Great job! What about the little butterflies? We have 2 small butterflies here and 2 small butterflies here. How many butterflies do I have all together? Let's write it as a number sentence. Check this out. We're adding the same number to itself. 2 plus 2 equals... That's right! A total of 4 butterflies! How awesome is that?
All right, you guys, it's time to release these butterflies back into the wild. Check it out. These 2 butterflies, the doubles, are finally in their natural habitats. All right, it's time to release the little butterflies into their natural habitats. There they are. Do you see it? There's 2. And there's 2. Check out those doubles.
All right, you know what time it is. It's activity time!
I don't know about you, but this activity looks super fun. This is a great way to practice doing doubles. First, you need a number cube. Roll your number cube. 4. And you're gonna hop those places. Oh no! I have to skip my turn. Roll again. 4 again. I have 3 plus 3. How much is that all together? 3, 4, 6. So keep going until you reach the end. Happy adding!